Okay, so hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about something super important. It's cybersecurity. So now don't worry, I'm not going to throw boring tech jargons at you so you won't, feel lost. Okay, so what it is, and we're going to be talking about what it is, why it matters, and how you can protect yourself online. So grab your coffee or your tea as we begin. This is going to be a very short video on what cybersecurity is. So alright, first thing first, what exactly is cybersecurity? In simple words, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computers, servers, mobile devices, networks, and data from digital attacks. Think of it like this. In real life, we lock our doors and windows to keep intruders out, you get. So cybersecurity does the same thing, but for our online world. Hackers try to steal your information, your passwords, maybe even your money. Who knows? So cybersecurity is a set of tools and habits that stops them. So all these hackers and people trying to steal your data and assets and money, cybersecurity is like a set of tools and habits. Yes, cybersecurity is an habit that stops them. So now you might be wondering, why should I care? Well, let's be honest. Almost everything we do today is online: shopping, banking, chatting, studying, even working. That means our personal data, like our credit card numbers, photos, and even our location, is floating around the internet. So you don't even need to hype too much. As far as you already have an account online, it's easy for people to easily get, to get your pictures, to get your assets if you are not well secured enough. So if that falls into the wrong hands, it can cause serious damage. Serious damage. Identity theft, scams, data leaks, name it. You know all these things that happen. So cybersecurity isn't just for tech experts, it's for everyone who uses the internet, which basically means all of us. All of us. We all use the internet, so cybersecurity is meant for all of us. Now, speaking on more, I'll be going into the more cybersecurity thing. So let's talk about the bad guys. The common cyber threats that most of the times we see around us. And number one is phishing. Phishing, not the fish, not the fish. So in case of Nigerian guys watching, I'm speaking from Nigeria actually. So if you are hearing phishing, it's not the fish you eat, it's phishing, phishing. So phishing, we have fake emails or messages pretending to be from a trusted source to steal your information. So that's phishing. That's what it is. You get some kind of emails that says from so bank, kindly drop your details, kindly drop this. That's a form of phishing attack. So in our next videos, we'll be talking more about all these cyber threats. So the second one is malware. Malware, a malicious software that infects your device, like virus or spyware. And one of the ways you can actually get this is by going into some links that you don't even trust. Untrusted links that are not in a good format. Some links will be like HTTPS. In fact, most of these links don't have HTTPS for those that understand how HTTP works. So I won't go deep into that. The third one is ransomware. Ransomware, this one's very scary. Hackers block your data and demand payment to unlock it. That's a ransomware. They have your data and they tell you to pay so amount before you can get your data back. And the next I'm talking about is data breaches. Data breaches, now this is a very huge attack. This is where companies' database are hacked and user information gets leaked. The thing is, these hackers are getting smarter every day. So awareness is our first line of defense. So alright, now for the practical stuff, how can you protect yourself online? Now you're asking, how can I protect myself online? Okay, so here is it. Number one, use strong passwords. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or your middle name or your pet name. No. Hackers can easily get their hands on that. So we have mixed letters, numbers, and symbols, whereby you can have, let me give an example. A Gabriel with a capital letter G, and the A is in 8. The L can be an I, then you have some asterisks, some underscores, and all. Those are examples of a strong attack. So if you know a strong password. So if you know a strong password, you think it's usable, you can drop it in the comment below. Don't worry, we won't use it. So number two is enabling two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. It adds an extra lock to your account. So which means if you unlock the first one, it will bring another password for you to unlock, and this time it usually requires two devices to actually get into. So that's 2FA. Another thing of keeping yourself safe is don't click suspicious links, especially in random emails or DMs. I mean, you're in a group and they send a link, you've clicked on it. Those are suspicious links that could actually bring spyware and malware into your device. And for the last one is use antivirus or a VPN if you can, especially on public Wi-Fi. I mean, don't even connect to every public Wi-Fi you see. It could be dangerous. That could be very, very dangerous. So use antivirus on your device, your laptop, your phone, your monitor. Let antivirus or a VPN be there to help you navigate, and in case there's any threat incoming, they will be able to stop it along the way. Now, I know some antivirus can actually be expensive for the subscription, but then do you want to pay the subscription now, or you want to pay you want to lose your data later? So in conclusion, cybersecurity, that's what cybersecurity is in a nutshell. It's not just about fancy firewalls or hacking movies. It's about protecting your digital life, whether you're a student, a gamer, a business owner, or just scrolling through social media. Cybersecurity matters. If you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friend, and hit that subscribe button for more easy explainers. Stay smart, stay safe, and stay online. Thank you very much.